Let's be honest. You're tired of depending on your job. You want more freedom, more income, and more control over your time. But here's the good news. In 2025, there's never been a better time to start a digital business from your laptop, from your home, even if you're starting with zero experience. And in this video, I'm going to break down 5 real digital businesses you can launch from home this year. Businesses that are low cost, high profit, and in demand right now. Let's go. Here's what most people get wrong about online businesses. They think you need to go viral, have a ton of followers, or be some tech genius. Nope. You just need 2 things. 1, a valuable skill or product. 2, a system to sell it consistently. In this video, I'm giving you 5 of the most profitable, beginner-friendly digital businesses you can start from your kitchen table. These aren't side hustles that pay $5 per hour. These are scalable online businesses that people are growing to 6 figures and beyond in less than 12 months. Ready? Business number 1, AI-powered content services. Let's start with one of the fastest growing digital business models right now, and that's offering AI-powered content services. Now before you say, but I'm not a writer or I don't know how to use AI, let me explain. Companies today need more content than ever. Emails, product descriptions, blog posts, ad copy, video scripts, the list is endless. And guess what? They don't want to spend $5,000 per month on a full-time content team. They want speed, they want results, and they want it now. That's where you come in. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Copy.ai, or WriteSonic, you can generate high-quality content in minutes, then offer that content as a paid service. Here's what you could sell. AI-generated blog articles, SEO-optimized website copy, email sequences, YouTube scripts, LinkedIn content calendars, product descriptions for e-commerce stores. And here's the secret. The value isn't just the words. It's your ability to package and deliver those words in a way that helps businesses grow. That's what they're paying for. How you make money. Charge $250 to $500 per month for weekly blog posts. Offer SEO packages for $300 to $800 per month. Sell content bundles or one-off services. Scale up by outsourcing to other AI writers. Tools you'll use: ChatGPT or Jasper for content generation, Grammarly and Hemingway for editing, Canva for visuals, Notion or Trello for project management. You can start this business in a weekend. Start by building 2 to 3 example projects. Offer your service on Fiverr, Upwork, or to local businesses. Use LinkedIn to connect with entrepreneurs who need content but don't want to do it themselves. This model is exploding in 2025, and if you jump in now, you can ride that wave with almost zero startup cost. Business number 2, selling digital products. Now let's talk about one of the most passive and scalable business models online. Digital products. What's a digital product? Simple. It's anything you create once and sell unlimited times as a downloadable file. That means no shipping, no inventory, no warehouse, no overhead, and it's 100% from home. Examples of digital products: ebooks, Notion templates, budget spreadsheets, meal plans, digital journals, workout guides, business planners, study kits, resume packs. Here's the magic. You create it once and sell it over and over again. Imagine waking up to an email that says, "You've made a sale," and you didn't even touch your laptop that day. That's the power of digital products. How you make money. Sell on Etsy, for example. Promote through social media, Pinterest, or email lists. Bundle products for higher ticket offers. Create niche storefronts. Example, digital planners for moms, freelancers, students, etc. Success tip: pick a specific audience. Don't just sell a generic planner. Sell a weekly content planner for busy TikTok creators. Niche down to stand out. You can make $10, $20, even $50 per sale depending on the product, and it's almost 100% profit. Start simple. Use Canva or Google Sheets to build your first digital file. Test it with friends or in Facebook groups. Refine, relaunch, repeat. This model is perfect if you're creative, organized, or love systems. Business number 3, online courses, and coaching. Next up, if you're the type of person who loves teaching, helping people, or breaking down complicated things into simple steps, this one's for you. Online education is a multi-billion-dollar industry in 2025, and it's only growing. Why? Because people don't want to waste time anymore. They want shortcuts, blueprints, and real results, fast. And if you can help them get there faster, they'll happily pay for your guidance. You don't need to be a guru. You just need to be a few steps ahead of someone else. Examples of what you could teach or coach: how to use ChatGPT, beginner photography, home workouts, basic financial literacy, how to start a YouTube channel, resume writing, nutrition for busy parents, Shopify setup, confidence coaching, language tutoring. If you've overcome a challenge, solved a problem, or mastered a system, you can turn that into a course or coaching offer. How you make money: sell self-paced video courses, $27 to $197. Offer live workshops or boot camps. Start one-on-one or group coaching programs. Launch a mini course on Skillshare, Teachable, or Podia. Here's a simple starter roadmap. Identify your skill or story. Write down the steps someone needs to follow to get results. Turn that into a video course or live Zoom session. Sell it with a landing page and a simple email funnel. People don't pay for information anymore. They pay for transformation. If your course or coaching offer helps them get from A to B faster, they'll buy. Business number 4, YouTube automation, faceless channels. Let me guess, you love the idea of making money with YouTube, but the thought of showing your face on camera makes you want to run. Good news, you don't have to. In 2025, faceless YouTube channels are exploding. And yes, people are making thousands of dollars per month without ever recording a vlog, showing their face, or even using their voice. Here's how it works. You build a channel based on niche content like top 10 videos, movies, finance tips, tech, motivational quotes or stories, product reviews, tutorials, history or mystery storytelling, AI explained, or crypto in 60 seconds videos. Then you use tools like ChatGPT to write your script, 11 Labs or Descript for voiceover, Pexels, Pixabay or Storyblocks for free stock footage, CapCut or Premiere to edit, Canva for thumbnails. You upload consistently and monetize through AdSense once you hit 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours, affiliate links, brand sponsorships, selling digital products. Yes, it takes time to grow, but once a video is up, it works for you 24/7. Some people have 50 to 100 videos up and earn $2,000 to $10,000 plus per month, all automated. This is not a get rich in 30 days trick, it's a real business. But if you love content, research, and working behind the scenes, this is one of the most powerful digital assets you can build in 2025. Business number 5, affiliate marketing. Last but definitely not least, affiliate marketing. This is one of the simplest and most scalable digital businesses, and it's perfect for beginners. Here's how it works. You promote someone else's product, and every time someone buys through your special link, you get a commission. You don't have to create the product, ship anything, deal with customer service. You just connect people with a product or solution they already want, and you get paid. This is how influencers, bloggers, YouTubers, and even small TikTok accounts are earning thousands per month just by recommending stuff. Example niches you can promote in: fitness, programs, supplements, gear, tech, software, gadgets, apps, personal development, courses, books, journals, digital tools, AI platforms, Notion templates, Canva, email services, home and parenting, Amazon products, organization tools. Where you make money: Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Impact, ShareASale, Digistore. Private affiliate programs. Many course creators offer 30% to 50% commissions. YouTube blog posts, email lists, TikTok, Reels, Pinterest. And here's the big idea. The key to affiliate marketing is trust and traffic. If you can build content that helps people make a decision, they'll reward you with a click. Start by creating best of lists, tutorials, reviews, or top 5 tools content. If someone's searching for best video editor for beginners and your blog or video ranks, you can earn passive income every single day from one post. Here a bonus. You can start these while you're still employed. Let's talk about something important. You might be thinking, all of this sounds great, but I've got a full-time job. I'm already busy. I don't have time to build a business. Totally fair, but here's the truth. You don't need to quit your job to start. In fact, every digital business I've shared in this video can be launched on the side, during your evenings, weekends, lunch breaks, or downtime. Here's how. 1 to 2 hours a day is enough at first. You don't need 8 hours a day to start. You need 60 to 90 focused minutes where you build your first digital product, write an affiliate blog post, record a faceless video, create a course outline, pitch AI content services to 3 businesses. Consistent baby steps beat occasional hustle weekends every time. 2, turn your job into research. Already working in marketing, sales, admin, teaching? Great. Use those skills in your business. For example, if you work in HR, create resume or job hunting products. If you write reports, repurpose that into AI content services. If you use tools daily, become an affiliate for them and teach others. You don't need to reinvent yourself. Just repurpose what you already know. 3, use job income to fuel growth. Here's the beautiful part. Your paycheck can fund your dream. Buy better tools. Invest in a course. Hire a freelancer to speed things up. Run your first paid ad. Subscribe to platforms like Canva, Descript, or ConvertKit. Your job becomes your investor. And that's the smartest way to transition. 4, build until you're ready to leap. Some people go full-time after 6 months. Some take 2 years. There's no rush. The goal isn't to escape your job immediately. The goal is to build a business solid enough that when you do leave, it's on your terms. No stress, no fear, no going backwards. You don't need to quit to commit. Start where you are. Start small, but start smart. And now, let's wrap this up with how to choose your path forward. It's possible, and people like you're already doing it. Let me be real with you for a minute. Starting a digital business is simple, but it's not easy. It's simple because the steps are clear. Build a skill, create something valuable, share it, repeat. But it's not easy because you'll have to show up when you're tired. You'll feel doubt. Your first product might flop. You won't get support from everyone around you. You'll compare yourself to people who are 3 years ahead. But let me tell you something louder. You're not too late. You're not too old. You're not too busy, and you are definitely not too average. You're exactly where a lot of successful people were when they started. Let's tell you about real examples. A single mom who used ChatGPT to write email copy and now earns $4,000 per month on Upwork from her kitchen table. A teacher who created a $37 digital planner for parents and made over $10,000 on Etsy last year. A guy who started a faceless YouTube channel on personal finance. First 6 months, 80 subscribers. 1 year later, over 75,000 subs and $5,000 per month in AdSense and affiliates. A 27-year-old introvert who started with affiliate links on Pinterest. Now she gets commissions daily without ever showing her face. They weren't lucky. They were consistent. They didn't know everything at the start. They didn't have the perfect niche. They just took the first step and kept going. And if you're still watching this video right now, that means something. It means you care. It means you're ready. And it means you owe it to yourself to try. Even if it's messy, even if it's small, even if you're scared. Because this isn't about becoming a millionaire overnight. This is about taking back control of your time, your income, and your future, one smart move at a time. One digital product, one affiliate video, one coaching session, one course sold. That's all it takes to get in motion. And once you see that first sale come in, that's when everything changes. You realize it was never luck. It was you. If this video helped you see what's possible in 2025, do this now. Subscribe for weekly content on digital income, AI tools, and building freedom online. Comment below which business idea fired you up the most. Access to a free resource that explains you how to start. I created this to help you start faster with links, tools, and a simple checklist for each model. And remember, in 2025, the fastest way to change your life is to build something digital that works while you sleep. Quick disclaimer: everything shared here is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and your results will depend on your effort and your execution. Do your own research and always build responsibly. Your laptop is more powerful than you think. Now go use it